Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have a question here with us. We've been told to solve for x in this quadratic equation. What we do, we find product and sum. Product is simply taking the coefficient of x squared, which is 2, you multiply by negative 36. That one you get is negative 72. Then you look for sum. Sum is always the coefficient of x, which is 1 in our case. So sum is positive 1. Then we look for two numbers that when we multiply them, we get negative 72, and we add them, we get positive 1. If you're having a challenge getting those two numbers, you can come up with this diagram. So you start with 72, then you look for two numbers, two factors of 72. You can start with the simplest 2. 2 goes to 72, 36. Then you check these two numbers. Can you multiply them to get 72? Yes. Can you add to get positive 1? You can't. Continue by 2. 2 goes there, 18. Check this now. Between 2 times 2 is 4. So check 4 and 18. Can 4 and 18 give you 72? Yes, if you multiply. But can you add to get positive 1? You can't. You continue by 2, 9. This time round, you take 2 times 2 times 2. It will give you 8. And then 9. So I'm having these two numbers. If you multiply 8 times 9, we get 72. There's a way we can add them to get positive 1. And that means that one of the number must be negative because the product is negative 72. Meaning it is negative 8. The two numbers that I'm looking for, therefore, are negative 8 and positive 9. If I multiply negative 8 times positive 9, I get negative 72. If I add negative 8 plus 9, I get positive 1. After getting those two numbers, I replace this one with these two numbers. Just add x here and x here. So replace this x with these two values. If you replace, you'll have 2x squared, then minus 8x, then plus 9x, then minus 36 is equals to 0. Then group these into 2, the first 2 and the next 2. Then check what is common between these two. If you check, whatever is common between 2x squared and negative 8x will give you 2x. That is what is common. So factor it outside. You're going to have 2x into whatever is common here. 2x goes to 2x, x. Then 2x goes to negative 8x, negative 4. Come here and check again what is common. If you check whatever is common, you're going to get is 9. So we're going to have plus 9. Then 9 goes to 9x, x. Then 9 goes to negative 36, negative 4 is equals to 0. When this bracket is the same, put these two under one bracket. You will have 2x plus 9 and x minus 4 is equals to 0. That means that this bracket is equals to 0 or this one is equals to 0. I will have 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. To get the value of x, I take 9 the other side. I will have 2x is equals to negative 9. That means if you divide both sides by 2, our x will be equals to negative 4.5. Negative 4.5. Lastly, if this bracket is equals to 0, then it means also this bracket is equals to 0. Therefore, this will be x minus 4 is equals to 0. If you take x the other side, it means x will be equals to 4. The values of x is either x is equals to negative 4.5 or x is equals to 4. Thank you, and let us meet in our next lesson.